Hello and welcome to the channel. Right now, you are calmly sitting and watching this video. But what if I told you that the exact place where you are sitting once burned hotter than molten lava and was later buried under endless ice for thousands of years? This land has survived firestorms, planet-sized collisions, frozen hellscapes, and oceans of lava. In this video, we are going to travel through the unbelievable 4.5 billion year journey of planet Earth. From a cloud of cosmic dust to a living world full of life. This is not just Earth's story. This is the story of survival, destruction, and rebirth on a scale the human mind can barely imagine. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system did not exist as planets. There were only massive clouds of gas, dust, and debris floating through space. Somewhere within these clouds, gravity slowly pulled material together until pressure became extreme. At the center, hydrogen and helium compressed so violently that nuclear fusion ignited, giving birth to our sun. Around this newborn star, leftover dust and rock began circling at incredible speeds. Over time, these particles collided, merged, and grew larger, forming massive space rocks called planetesimals. These objects would eventually become planets like Mercury, Venus, Mars, and Earth. Early Earth was nothing like the peaceful planet we know today. It was a violent world constantly bombarded by asteroids. Scientists believe another planet, called Theia, once orbited close to Earth. Eventually, Earth's gravity pulled Theia into a catastrophic collision. The impact was so powerful that chunks of Earth were blasted into space. These fragments formed a ring around the planet and slowly came together to create the Moon. At this time, Earth was covered in a global ocean of molten lava, with temperatures crossing 1900 degrees Celsius. As the planet slowly cooled, heavy elements like iron sunk to form Earth's core, while lighter materials rose to the surface. For millions of years, asteroids rich in water and minerals crashed into Earth. Slowly, oceans began to form, covering the planet completely. Deep beneath these oceans, massive volcanic vents released heat and chemicals. These extreme environments became the birthplace of life. Tiny microorganisms emerged, surviving without oxygen and feeding on minerals and heat. Over time, some of these organisms learned to use sunlight, releasing oxygen as waste. This single change transformed Earth forever. Oxygen slowly filled the atmosphere, cooling the planet and creating protection from harmful solar radiation. Days were shorter, seasons were unstable, but life was learning to adapt. Around 2.5 billion years ago, oxygen levels rose dramatically, leading to Earth's first major biological revolution. Many early organisms could not survive, but others evolved, becoming stronger and more complex. Ice ages came and went. Continents shifted. Volcanoes shaped the land. From single-celled life to complex organisms, Earth never stopped changing. And today, after billions of years of destruction and creation, you and I exist on this tiny blue planet. If this journey amazed you, don't forget to like the video, share it with curious minds, and subscribe for more incredible science, space, and history stories. See you in the next one.